this back on, the Genesis today, and then get the new car out of the trailer and into the garage. Should just be pretty straightforward. So we got all the stuff into the garage. Chow is doing a little bit of sticker removal for me. For some reason, Chow is obsessed with pulling stickers off. The second we got this in here, he's like, I'm pulling all your stickers off. I'm like, all right. So he's doing that. All right, so you guys have seen Car before. He has brought some goodies. Look at these mint S14 doors.
Is it cut a full door?
That's definitely a full door.
Oh yeah, it's glass and all. They're not that bad though if you grab it finally. Got it?
Yeah.
Just drop it.
No, dude, look at how cool that is.
Dude, I fucking like that color. Dude, that color is pretty nice.
Oh, dude, these are heavy as hell. That needs to be cut out. It's just the, here, I'm gonna lean. Yeah, lean that one up against that tire.
Those things are so nice.
I know, dude, they're heavy as hell.
We're gonna go ahead and start gutting these doors out. Get the window out.
get all the weight out of them. Super obnoxiously heavy stock doors. So it looks something along the lines of that. The only thing in here for mechanics is the door release thing, and it's only connected to the like outside one.
How do you do it? You leave like a lip on the edge and then fold it in so you don't get tetanus?
No, dude, I leave the lip.
Go lip.
Is that showing?
Yeah, it's showing right here.
There's like so much grime on it that it's not like...
If you just get like the basic outline, I can make the cut and then clean it with the flap disc.
Yeah. These are brand new.
It's definitely the grime.
You see that? Mm-hmm. So cut that first.
I'll cut right there. Just hold that piece up like that. Next morning, heading to the post office.
This is all you. You know, you open it.
You want me to open it? All right.
This is your package.
So Chow said, hey, I got something for you from Japan for your birthday. It came in a little bit late, so
I hope you like it.
I don't know what to expect here. Thank you. I'm not gonna look until I fucking open it all the way. All right, ready? No! Oh my god, dude! Are you serious? Thank you so much, dude. Oh my god. So today, I'm gonna go ahead and wash down the van and trailer from that Ohio trip. Got it nice and salty. So me and Caleb went half and half on this pretty basic Harbor Freight pressure washer. We have the older generation up in Connecticut, but I guess this is the new cheap one, so go ahead and give this a shot. Get that all nice and clean and shiny and salt free. Looks good. Gotta go ahead and cut this other door now. All right, let this process begin. Alright, so now that we got these Racecar doors fully gutted, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to stick them on the car and see how they look.
You sure you know how to put on doors?
I've never done this before, actually.
I know.
No, I'm just kidding. I took the doors and fenders off my first S14. I'm going to try and do this solo with these gutted doors because they're light enough. So that's got to go there like that. This is cool. It's so light, dude. Like, it feels like air. Alright. Let's do a direct comparison between this one and Caleb's car. that's really it for this video, guys. We got the doors installed on the car, got them sanded down. I'm gonna have to sand them again when all the body panels go back on, but it's got a little jump start on it. So with that being said, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. To all the homies up north, stay warm. It's cold down here too, so it's freezing.